video is sponsored by Squarespace. More on them in a bit. Right now I am about to have my final Zoom meeting of 2023. There's nothing else on the calendar, but you never know when something can just slip in there. But I think this will be the last one, because typically around the holidays, I'm sure all of you who work in offices, like, things just start to slow down. So even though I don't work in an office, I work with agencies and companies, and they follow a very traditional holiday schedule. So this time of year, things tend to be slower, particularly those last 2 weeks, even the first week of January, when people are taking a lot of their vacation. So yeah, we're gonna do the final one. I can't believe it. Can't believe we've done another year, but can't dwell on that right now because there's still a lot to get done before we hit 2024. So final meeting, but not final work day. Don't mind the Q-tip. I didn't use this for my ear. Use it to wipe the webcam so that the picture is clear, because I find that when I open and close this webcam protector, I get a little bit of fingerprints on the camera itself. So Q-tip, not super fancy, but it gets the job done, you know?
And so we've done something a bit unique. We've actually designed.
To go pick up, I think, the last box of the year from my PO box, and I cannot take off this hat because the hat hair is ridiculous. I need to shower desperately tonight. I am very excited for this because a special documentary film movie, what would you call it, came out today by Miss Taylor Swift. The Eras Tour movie is now available on Prime, and when they reached out about wanting to send me something, I was like, send whatever. I don't know what's in here, but I will accept whatever. Oh, I'm gonna keep digging. Is there anything in the box? Oh my god, wait, I see a friendship bracelet. So many beads. Now I can make my own friendship bracelet. I've actually been meaning to get one of these kits. I thought it'd be fun to like make bracelets and even give them to like my little cousins and stuff, or just make them and give them to friends. We're in the friendship bracelet making era, and this is like a cute winter activity. Side is dry, right side is not. I'm using the GHD Duet Styler. This was sent to me by GHD and I wanted to give it a try. I've actually used it a couple times now. Step one of this device is blow drying your hair. So in the middle here of these plates, there's like a gap where it's just blowing air. So the plates themselves, I don't believe are hot. It's just blowing air in the middle section here, which I don't think you can really see. And then once this is all dry, so I'll have to do the other side, you turn on the Shine Shot, and that becomes like a regular, I think, like flat iron, so that you can just smooth things down. But I do like the blow drying function, at least in comparison to my regular blow dryer, because it just leaves it less poofy. I guess because the air is really concentrated in one direction, it's just a lot nicer of a style. It's actually not too bad. I feel like a hair dryer is louder, or maybe about the same. Seems like it's getting louder as I talk. It's supposed to just pass through it 3 times and it's supposed to leave the hair completely dry. I think the only part of this that doesn't get dry as quickly is the top of my head, because it's hard to go right to the root. And my hair doesn't feel overly hot either. Normally I wouldn't blow dry my hair, but I took a shower kind of later tonight, so I don't want to sleep with wet hair. I'm gonna deal with this. Yeah, now these plates are heating up because I turned on the Shine Shot. Oh, it's ready to go. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time doing this because I am going to bed, but this is just to kind of tame it down. See, I think this looks a little bit more finished than this side. And that is it for the night. I completely forgot that I had the city holiday PJs. I got them from Aerie, I want to say a few years back, and almost missed out on wearing them this holiday season. I wear them all winter long, but hadn't pulled them out even for November. So we gotta fit it in while I can. My favorite part is all the Christmas lights on the buildings. So cute. It's been months and months and months since I've been able to find this Rosewater toner by Coco Kind in Stores of Shoppers. I finally found it. I was so excited. I love using this in the winter. It's very hydrating. So I always like spraying this on my face, especially after a shower. I feel like my face always gets dried out after a hot shower. Also gonna do a little bit of serum. Winter skincare is something else, let me tell you. Let's not forget the neck and the décolleté and the hands, the back of the hands. And then boom, I'm gonna combine the body serum and the body lotion from Necessaire. I make a little cocktail and we just tack. I just got the picture of the fact that my legs are being slathered. Feels so good. Veggies going in the air fryer, and then I'm also trying out this new pasta. It's a garlic and chili pasta. I'm not sure if I'm really going to taste much flavor from it because I am putting tomato sauce on it. Making my own quick pasta sauce with some strained tomatoes and just a lot of seasoning. Actually, I think I can get a little bit more out of this bottle. Very curious about this. Giving the old sniff test. Smells seasoning. Oh, you're seeing all the flyaways with that light. Not cute. I think I'm gonna light a candle, but as you can see here, I don't want to get this in the pasta sauce. So I'm gonna try and pick up some of that gunk. I do really like this candle though. It's got beautiful little houses all around. Okay, chill. I'm also gonna take some of this pasta water, add it to my sauce. Transfer time. Oh my God, Caitlin. I want to talk about what just happened in the sink over there. I dropped a few of my pastas, which is devastating. I hate it when I drop pasta. It's one thing to like drop fruit or veg in the sink, but my pasta, those beautiful carbs, just gone. Pourquoi? And you might be thinking, Caitlin, it's just in the sink for 5 seconds. Just eat it. No. I haven't cleaned my sink in long enough that is not the option. Let's see what is happening here. Ooh, look at this fine specimen of a pasta. So colorful, so wow. Yummy. It's 11 p.m. and I just finished the puzzle, but are you noticing something? It feels too cliche to have happened, like a missing sock and complaining about where does the other sock go? The one missing puzzle piece. Now I have to tear this whole room apart and find it because I will not know peace until it is found. Ignoring that, this is a really gorgeous print. I quite enjoyed this puzzle. Okay, now to figure out where this puzzle piece is. First of all, no. Where's the flashlight when you need it? That's concerning. I was really banking on it being underneath the couch. Oh, how devastating this is. What if I need to go back in the garbage bag? Oh, but I double checked. It was in the garbage. I thought I double checked the bag, but there it is, the piece in question. Now I need to wash my hands. Ugh, something's wet. Yuck. The final piece is going on. I'm done. Now I will stare at it for 5 minutes before I put it back in the box. Maybe I'll give it tonight. Do it in the morning. Also, I've been watching My Life with the Walter Boys on Netflix. Very summer I turned pretty vibes, but extra dramatic. So I find it very amusing to watch. I'm just like, gasp, gasp. As if I'm not watching teenage drama, but I'm into it. I'm into it.
Our weeks are filled with responsibilities, whether it's tackling the embarrassing pile of laundry on your bedroom floor, creating a new savings plan, or having to help your friend move to a new place. Our to-do list can often be overwhelming. So if starting a site of your own is a goal for 2024, then you can take comfort in the fact that Squarespace has got you covered. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform that has made it a breeze to maintain and update my own site, CaitlinDeSilva.com. Getting my site launched took little effort to set up and make beautiful to look at because Squarespace offers a ton of stunning, flexible templates to choose from that can be customized to fit your unique tastes without without the help of a graphic designer. Have fun adding photo galleries, buttons, videos, and more to your blog posts and pages to give them some extra pizzazz. A website can be used as a hobby to keep people of the internet updated on the things you're passionate about, or you can use it to help advance your career as a spot on the internet to post your portfolio of work and or sell your products. After watching this video, don't forget to visit squarespace.com today for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, use the URL squarespace.com/Caitlin'sCorner to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
I got the best Christmas cards this year. I didn't make them myself. I think last year I made a ton of them, but this year I just bought a package and look. It says seasons readings. Is that not perfect for me? There's another one that is also really good that says, have your shelf a merry bookmas, and it's got a stack of books and a coffee cup. Like these are me in a card, so I am determined to add them to my gifts this year. Most of these I can do when I go back home, but I am gonna add any that I need to the gifts here. Okay, oops, ta-da! I need to pack these. I'm in packing mode right now, and this room, it's just chaos. My office is not feeling very productive. It's chaos over here too. No judgment, please. It's gonna have to get worse before it gets better. I also need to figure out outfits, which I haven't even thought about. The fact that I need to get the whole like Christmas Eve outfit down. So I'm gonna start going through my closet, and yeah, I'm just trying to do the best we can. What a look this is. It's 7:30 in the morning. My dad is gonna be here in a couple hours, so I need to get this show on the road. Going for a classic with this one. 7:30 wouldn't be a big deal if I hadn't gone to bed at 2 a.m. Not the smartest decision I've ever made. Here I am enjoying my coffee, about to put my moisturizer on. This is the Kate Somerville Hydrocate. And look at the timing of this. I just finished the entire package. That saved me so much room in my suitcase. Imagine if I would have brought that for nothing. Oh, it's so sad when it's done. This was sent to me, by the way. Just a heads up, but I genuinely really love it. It just soaks right into my skin. You know that phenomenon where when you're looking for something, you can never find it, but when you're not looking for it, it's everywhere? That was me with hunting down a Canada Post drop-off mailbox. Usually those things are all over the streets and they're in like these nice bright red tin containers, metal containers. I just spent like 25 minutes hunting for them. Every one that I thought had one, or everywhere I thought that had one, it disappeared. Got that done, got soaked in the process, rip to the hair. Got a suitcase, clothes, going home for 2 weeks, and there's holiday events and I don't know what I want to wear, so that suitcase just needed to happen. I've got a bag of randomness. This is of yarn because apparently I have to take my crochet with me because I don't know how I'd survive 2 weeks without it. I've got my backpack that is filled with my laptop, my tech, makeup, skincare, journal, e-reader, like all of the life essentials. And then this is a box full of, this one's gifts, and this one is gifts slash stuff to bring home, like gift wrapping supplies I didn't have use for here that I figure I'll bring home and use to wrap at home. But looks intense. It's really not that bad. I don't know why I'm like getting so difficult on myself. Oh, let me fix this hair. I wanted to make sure I took a moment before I left you and left this apartment today to also just thank you tremendously for the comments that you left on last week's video with feedback about what you've been liking and suggestions on what you'd want to see more of in 2024. I didn't expect to get those kinds of comments. Like I genuinely was just looking for some feedback about what videos, kind of suggestions you wanted to see. But you guys took the time to write the sweetest messages, and that is one of the best gifts that you could have given me, is like not just writing the comments. I know there's a lot of silent viewers out there that support what I do, but genuinely that support that you have for what I do here is just beyond anything I could have ever imagined for myself. And the fact that there's people all over the world that, you know, take time on their Fridays or Saturdays to get a little bit of joy from my videos is bonkers. I don't even know how to describe it. And I was really touched too by the fact that so many of you, or I saw so many comments that talked about how my videos allow them to see small joys in their day, because that is so important to me. It's such a big philosophy in my life, and in not romanticizing everything. Obviously life isn't always picture perfect, but celebrating like little tiny joys and finding that in life. Because I think if you're not looking for it, or if you're not intentionally looking for it, a lot of things just go by that deserve a little bit of appreciation, or that can give you some spark by giving it some appreciation. We always prioritize such big events in life, but it's all in the little moments. And if we can be more present in the day-to-day and look for those, I just think there's so much fulfillment that comes from that. I know personally it's been a really game changer in my life. So it really makes me happy that that is a message that's coming through. I have taken into consideration the fact that you guys still really love vlogs. So, you know, vlogs aren't going anywhere, don't worry, but I just, I'll have to think about a way to do what I'm thinking of, but also make sure that we're not getting rid of anything that we adore, because I love the vlogs too. That's a 2024 problem. I always get really paranoid before leaving my apartment because I'm like, did I leave anything on? Did I forget anything? I can't believe this is the last time we're gonna be here in the apartment in 2023. Maybe the last time you see the holiday decor on a vlog. I really loved how it turned out this year. I hope you have a beautiful holiday with your loved ones. There's so many little moments in this time of year to appreciate. I know I'm gonna be really present with my family this year. I'm feeling really grateful to have so much of my family around during the holidays. So that is solely where my focus is. And I just wanna be really as present as possible. A huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I'm actually gonna give an extra thank you to Squarespace for just in general supporting this channel in 2023. If you've been watching a lot of the videos, and you probably are familiar with them as being a frequent sponsor, and I am so grateful to them. They are such a joy to work with. And I highly encourage you, if you haven't already, to, like I said, click that link in the description box below to learn more, especially if 2024, you really want to be making a website, building a community, sharing your work, just even venting online to the internet. It's a really cool way to do that through a website. We're saying goodbye. Oh, I can't believe another year has gone by. I mean, we still got another video to go, so we'll get there. There'll be more reflecting to happen. Bye tree, bye book village, bye Santa chicken.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all.